been told that's my MO.
What it do, y'all? We back in this thing. Got OBS Bray, OBS Benjo Cole. We out here, man. Got this dually back on the road. The gearbox was changed out by a shop. Hydro boost was changed out by me. It really whooped my ass. It really did. That is a terrible job, but I got it done. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go ahead and put this BMW in the bed because I'm just trying to clean stuff up, man. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on too. Actually, I might do that first. See how that works as well. Gotta switch out. I'm putting one of them tires. Oh, we just put 2 brand new tires on the front of this thing too. I kept my old 2 front tires because they're decent. Oh no! But we got 2 brand new front tires. Back tires still good. Front tires were getting worn out because of the issues we've been having with power steering and such. So 2 brand new on there. Hold this, Bray. Actually, what we need to do first, I need to hop up in there. And matter of fact, let me clear out the bed. Then we'll pop the companion down in there. Go and get it out of the grass. And then we'll see. I don't know if I got enough light. We'll see if we can pop these off and put our new 5th wheel piece in and see what we're looking like. So stand by for a second. Ben, come hold the camera. How you got 1 sock and shoe on? Show. No. Come on. Oh. It's kind of heavy, bro. We need your help, son. Stand by, technical difficulties.
Holy.
Much better with 2 people.
That looks heavy. Look at these 2 hard-working men with jobs. Perfect.
Slide this over. Yeah. Pick it up. Ow!
What?
That's so many questions. Bang my damn hand. What you think? Gee, yours was lined up. Woo!
I wasn't even looking.
Alright, so that lock's there. Gotta lock the bottom.
I wasn't looking because I was in my own world.
Yeah.
I always want to know how you swap the ball.
Alright, we gotta see. Let's see if we can pick it up first. Yeah, use this. This side, man. Ooh, put this other piece on. Neck out. This should be low.
Is that heavy?
Not as much. Ben, are you looking at what you recorded? Because you're way too close. It's on video. 16:9 frame. All up in my asshole. Ben, don't worry though. Maybe you should same thing. Brake was always zoomed in.
I just zoomed it out. That's what I had it at the first time. Right, you had the truck squatted, man. You had the truck squatting, boy.
You would too.
No.
You'll pick something good too, boy.
No.
All right, I gotta get some tools and get that thing off right quick. You hold this. You want me to put it right back down. Let's see where it goes. Where it's supposed to go. Let's put it down higher. Don't put it in here. That still looks kind of high. I don't know about this. This might take a little time and effort. We might not be able to do this all tonight. Look how low that is. And look how high it gotta go.
Yeah.
But it will lift it up too. Back up to it and see what it looking like.
No, it's not gonna make it. Not even close.
So this goes down too. You have to take the top piece off, and there's holes in the side where you can drop the height of that. That's way too high.
Yeah.
And this ain't gonna go up that high on thing. And if it did go up that high, it'd probably be too high. Look, I'll try it, but I don't think it's. Just right. That's all the way. It might slide it up in there, but I don't know. Let's see, all right?
All right.
Because if it touches, it'll slide down in there. I think I'm gonna have to let that thing down some. Or a mixture of both, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Ooh wee, almost got crushed.
You did?
I couldn't slide fast enough. Shoes ain't had no traction.
It's in there.
Look at that right there.
Now we really just gotta get it. Still might have to come. Still might have to let it down some. But we really gotta be on flat ground. Take it to a parking lot or something.
Yeah.
Take my tools and shit and try it out. It looks a little high. So if I let that down a little bit. That's it.
Yeah.
But we also in weird.
Yeah, it ain't level. Like right there, it's kind of high. It ain't level.
Now, of course, it'll go down some. Let's see.
Ooh. Ooh. Ah.
Glad to hit my knee and not my shin.
Yeah.
We gotta get on level ground. I think it's a little too high, but it may end up being perfect.
You could pull it onto the dirt road.
Yeah, that's a possibility. Possibility. Come on. So that ain't bad. It gives you more angle to not make sure you don't hit. But I mean, with 2 cars on, that ain't bad.
Yeah.
Look at it from up here. It's a little high. I probably will drop it 1 or 2 slots just to make it look a little bit better, you know? Yeah, 1 or 2 slots would probably be just fine. Take these down. Y'all see them bolts inside of there? Let's see if I can show it to you. Them bolts in there, you take them down and it drops this, top plate right here. It drops all this down. So that's probably what I do. All right. Yeah, I'll do that before I go any further. I'll drop that down a little bit. It's getting dark. Let me handle that and we'll be back with y'all tomorrow. It's the next day. I'm out here at the request of my good buddy, Stay Ready Logistics. Still Ramon, as y'all see him comment on these videos. I'm gonna show you how this thing is adjustable. So these are the triangle pieces. That's what that pops down on top of. And of course you see you can move them left and right with all of those holes that you have in the so it's fully adjustable. You just got to find the right settings that you want. I want mine to go down, so of course I'm gonna move it down. I don't really see a need to go backwards or forwards. I could do it right now if I wanted, but I think I'm just gonna go straight down. There is 4 sets of holes, columns and rows right there. So I'm gonna get these things zipped off, move them down, and that'll give me the best height. Well, I ain't gonna say the best height, but that'll lower it down considerably, maybe a few inches, a couple inches maybe. So let me get that done. I might put it on time lapse. in. You got a block on one side, and it sandwiches the piece to the frame. So you literally put it on the other side, put the bolt through, and you'll be good. Get this one started. It's almost easier to do the top one first. And you just tighten them down. So let me get them tightened down and we'll hook it back up, see how it looks. Top back on. I wish I would have had the camera rolling. I just got scared by a damn frog, man. I don't like frogs. I ain't got nothing against frogs, but when they jump out at you when you don't know they're there, scare the hell out of me. Goes through there. Goes through there. Hands on. See, it articulates a little bit. Woo! Clean my tools up. Hook back up. And see what we're looking like. Alright, I'm gonna see if I can get y'all a good footage of it might fall down, so forgive me if it does, but I'm gonna see if I can get you some footage. Pop down in there nice. I think my height was a little bit off. So going forward, once I get it set right, it should be better. Let's go for a test drive. All right, this is a fairly flat road. I think that's much better. See the angle? It's still up high a little bit. Not high, but it's got a slight incline, but it's much better than how it was. And that's with the fifth wheel in the lowest spot. and the neck slid all the way, you know, up. So that's about as good as it's gonna get. Y'all all right? All right. Oh, hey, I live right over there. If you need me to haul something for you, just stop by. I've been looking for a flat ground to test it without going on the main road and getting ran over. But yeah. You can kind of see it's going up a little bit, but there's really nothing else I can do other than how I got it. This is 34 feet. All right, y'all, there we go. Back to the house. Next items on the agenda is get this thing dropped off for winch plate to be welded on. I think I want to extend the slots underneath the trailer. Currently, they only hold these 5 feet ramp, 6 feet ramps, however long they are. I never measured them, but I want to extend the brace that stops it to make it 8 feet, so I can put some aluminum ramps in there. Hopefully, they can do that at the same time. And then I got to order some. I want some new tailgate things for this. I could take them off of there or that truck really, but if they offer them brand new, I just buy 2 new ones so I can put this on, and with the the tailgate latch. You know what I'm talking about? This piece. I don't even know what they're called. These things. Take those off, or even put shocks there. I know I've seen people put shocks instead of those pieces right there. But that way I can use this tailgate with the cutout for the neck of the trailer. So that's it for now. Was able to finish the project. I think this is as best as it's gonna get, but we are moving forward and we'll have this thing on the road soon. Appreciate y'all watching. Like, share, subscribe, and drop a comment. Any comments y'all got for me? You know I love interacting with y'all. I love the info that y'all give me, and criticism sometime. So yeah, drop a comment, man. But yeah, like, share, subscribe. We're gonna holler at y'all later on. Peace!